and gentlemen, this is Rohan, your cruise director. And on behalf of Cordelia Cruises, I would like to extend all our guests a very warm welcome on board our home, the beautiful Empress. We are currently making your cabins ready for your utmost comfort. Till then, you can drop your luggage in your cabins and proceed to our Starlight Restaurant on deck number 4 and 5 after the ship 12 p.m. onwards and food court on deck 10 for an exquisite Indian cuisine experience. Cordelia is committed to reducing food waste and protecting the environment. We request you to please take only what you can eat and feel free to come back for more. Together, we can minimize waste and make a positive impact on the planet. We thank you for your support. Once you have had lunch, you must explore the ship. As everywhere you go, the Empress has a lot to 5180 to book your appointments and no more. You can also visit our ocean shops at deck 6 and splurge a little to get yours and your loved ones some beautiful gifts and souvenirs. And while you're there, school children and